Hi, I'm Frank from preparedness. Preparedness is a new emergency preparedness approach based on practical knowledge and smart tips, so you're always cheerful and resourceful in case of emergencies. Did you know that the Department of Homeland Security has listed 29 different types of disasters and emergencies? 29. And that doesn't include the zombie attack or alien invasion. Pandemic, of course, is one of them. And because every emergency situation should be an opportunity to learn and to change for the better, this COVID-19 crisis should be a wake-up call for all of us about our readiness for emergencies. Too often, we refuse to face reality. We don't want to challenge our illusion of security and comfort. In crisis management, we talk about emotional traps. You know this denial attitude when you tell yourself, "It's impossible, it will never happen, I just don't want to think about it. I have other priorities, there's not much I can do to prevent it from happening." As most things in life, meeting a crisis with a clear, calm head usually makes for better outcomes. So this is why we want to share with you an emergency preparedness step-by-step approach, so you're always cheerful, hopeful and resourceful in case of an emergency. You might ask right now, as we are already in the middle of a crisis. Well, according to us, the very first step of emergency preparedness is to make an assessment. An assessment of your needs and vulnerabilities. And after a few weeks of confinement, this is probably the best opportunity to realize what are your real needs. So in the next video we'll be posting, we'll go through 5 different steps of emergency preparedness. The first one being, as I just mentioned, to make an assessment of your needs and of your personal environment. Based on this assessment, we'll then see how you can prepare a personal emergency plan. How to make a personal communication plan. How to build a customized emergency kit. We'll then see how you can prepare yourself to be ready to handle stress during large-scale crises, but also during daily life, personal little crisis. So follow us on Instagram @preparedness. And remember, hope rules the day.